Gandhiji. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhiji was born on October 2, 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. He is known father of our nation because he worked hard to get freedom. Gandhi idea non-violence. Lead country to get freedom. His birthday celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi declared October 2 Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. We should respect Gandhiji on his birthday. 2nd October is birthday Lal Bahadur Shastri and death anniversary of Kamraj. Jai Hind.